Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us do a quick overview and the sound test of Gravastar Bluetooth speaker. Now this is the Gravastar Mars and this looks quite funky and cool. So the green LED on this speaker make it really cool, and this looks futuristic too. The overall build quality is good enough and this weighs in at a higher side, but this adds stability to the speaker and can stand at even uneven places. Now to the top we have the volume controls, which is quite cool. So you just need to swipe from top and you can see the volume can be adjusted. So these speakers have 3 legs which support the whole speaker weight, and there are quite cool features on all over the speaker. You can see the design, it has really futuristic design and it looks like Mars. If you turn the speaker to the rear side, here we have the LED grill and some stickers. The LED grill has a green color light which looks quite cool in dark. Now let me show you the sound demo of the Gravastar Mars speakers.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, that was the sound quality of the Gravastar Mars speaker. In your opinion, these are really bass heavy and they provide really good volume too. So guys, these speakers make up to be a really cool gift to someone, and as they look quite futuristic and has a really good design, or even you can buy it yourself for keeping it in your own bookshelf or any other places. So guys, if you want to purchase this speaker, a link to the same will be in the description. Check out my blog, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, for more such cool reviews. Also like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's the Trendy Blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next video.